time, but
Lost has been
HJY, Rush, Tom Sawyer, it's Doug. I'm getting out of here. Be back tomorrow with Scarpetti at 3 p.m. I hope your weekend has been wonderful. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye now.
Family is big around here. We're family owned, family operated, family managed. And that...
when they...
The Stugatz on ESPN Radio and ESPN News.
A tradition of excellence on the court.
Music for Food has grown and expanded to a dozen cities around the country.
That is totally forgotten about the working class Americans. Donald Trump's getting it all done, but he's doing it despite unprecedented just resistance and zero help from the Democrats. Imagine what he could do if they just got on board and said, okay, fine, maybe we'll do a little something. Maybe we'll try to make sense. Maybe we won't just spew nonsense, every day, all day, and try to block you from doing those things. I mean, imagine what he could accomplish with just a little help.
How do you feel about the Vindmans being gone? I saw the paper the next morning, the New York Daily News. They made it sound like your father was the Godfather. They called him the Gopfather because he's taking care of family business. Who wouldn't get rid of people who are trying to stab him in the... If you're anybody's boss and one of your underlings tries to stab you in the back and lies about you and wants to put you in jail, basically, and accuses you of treason, I mean, doesn't he have a right to get rid of that person?
Of course he does. It's no different than the ambassador to Ukraine. I mean, you serve at the pleasure of the president.